Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you some incredible gadgets that will blow your mind. The pen that pushed the bounds of gravity. No, it's not a bullet, this is Oaksy Whiskey Stones. Mastop Matrix Blue LED Digital Watch. The coolest watch you ever see. You can buy all these products from Amazon using the links in the description. Cosmic inspired and engineered to defy gravity, Hoverpen 2.0 is the world's first pen hovering at an angle. It won Time Best Inventions 2022. It's perfectly balanced at 23.5 degrees, impossible to ignore, which makes it the best conversational starter on your desk. The pen body is shaped with a beauty body design. Highly precise craftsmanship makes it like a piece of exquisite desk art. Hoverpen equals lifelong durability. Expect your luxury pen to last and hover for up to 100 years. Spin the pen on the pedestal and let it boost your focus and creativity. Or watch, sit back, and relax. Equipped with Schmidt ballpoint cartridges, the German-engineered luxury standard ballpoint refill. Hoverpen 2.0 promises no spills, no spots, and definitely no explosions. This is the perfect option if you're looking for unique gifts. These flashlight gloves are a pretty useful gift for dad fishing, working on cars from early morning or other tight places where light is needed, and doing electrical work. It's also a practical present for a mother running or working, and also a gift for DJ worker guys. Besides, the cool flashlight gloves are useful gadgets for a handyman, car repairman, engineers, mechanics, plumbers, and truck drivers when working in dark spaces. This comes with lengthened Velcro straps able to stretch and fit most men's or women's fingers and wrists. This practical tool gear gift is made to replace your traditional handheld flashlights and will become a third helping hand. Glove spotlights adopt two bright LED light beads, which may be small in size, but they're big in brightness. With two XCR 2016 button batteries in every glove and one screwdriver for easy battery replacement. The included battery works last 30 hours and can be replaced. This is a unique vertical ergonomic computer mouse with a special volute bionic design that reduces arm discomfort and hand stiffness. With RGB chasing lighting, offer you a marvelous working experience. With the memory setting driver, all keys are programmable, setting the lighting effects mode and creating any macro. Just set, and all the settings would be stored. Humanized wrist rest design. Let your forearm and vertical mouse be a whole part and make your wrist lift from the ground and rest on the comfortable pad, which protects your wrist from friction when moving the mouse. 5-gear DPI, which would be easily shifted according to your daily working requirement by the dotted switch in the bottom. With 4000 DPI, even could use it as an ergonomic gaming mouse. This is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11 operating systems. Connect to your phone via Bluetooth, tap any surface, or the included play pad to create sounds, loops, and beats. This app-enabled music toy is scalable for all skill levels, from curious-minded kids to seasoned musicians. This built with sleek technology including an accelerometer, light sensor, LEDs, and Bluetooth low-energy connectivity, SpeecDrum's rings provide an accessible, portable, and tactile way to create music, so you can compose whenever inspiration hits. These musical rings are made of durable silicone, so they can withstand countless taps and compositions. The SpeecDrum's Mix and Edu apps provide curated sound packs that allow you to mix and produce entire songs with the tap of your finger. You can find different genres and moods of music with packs on the app. More packs are being added every month. The perfect stitching of the magnetic wristband with strong 15 magnets makes the magnetic tool band wrap around almost the entire wrist. The age of still rummaging in a pocket for screws or ceaselessly going up and down ladders to look for the right drill is over. Now just need to wear the magnetic wristband on arm and put screws on the magnetic tool wristband. Finally, work can be done quickly, whether in a small space or on a ladder or roof, which saves time and effort. This is a lightweight and breathable product. It must be hard to choose gifts for men who are whiskey lovers. Give these whiskey rocks as Secret Santa gifts for guys who drink whiskey, bourbon, scotch, or beer. This would be the best gifts for them. Forget ice. Imagine enjoying super cool, undiluted whiskey at the optimum temperature from the first sip to the last. Take your whiskey enjoyment to next level. And these stainless steel whiskey stones are safe, tasteless, and odorless to enjoy a better taste. This magnetic pen is not just a pen, also be a finger fidget toy. It can be rotated and transformed into a variety of creative, free combinations, and multiple and diverse plays. This magnetic pen can change shape conforming to your images anytime, anywhere, like swords, robots, and monsters. It is a good toy to pass the time. 2 stylus head can be used as a gel pen, touchscreen pen, 14 PCS magnetic rings, or 30 PCS steel balls gift box. The magnet is a fragile material. This has an easy charging LED system. You can get 5.4 watt super brightness from this. The high capacity battery is also included. After a full charge, you can use the chair for 48 hours. This holds up to 300 pounds. Safe for babies, and completely free of IR, lead, mercury, and other toxic elements. The flow rate is 1.8 gallons per minute. The water pressure is very strong. This works with 2 function head, stream for filling water, and spray for rinsing. 360-degree swivel sprayer and spout with quick connect hose can help you install by yourself in 15 minutes. Deck plate can fit 1-hole and 3-hole kitchen sink. You can buy this with more colors. Luxury gold is also included. This isn't another fidget spinner. The design from Fimokas, which is designed for various age groups to relieve stress and worries. It is suitable for passing time, calming, and concentrating. It can bring you peace and improve your creativity. The rotation time is more than 5 minutes. With silent bearing, it is caused by the initial spin, and it can make the sound less than 15 decibels. The product material is 100% aluminum alloy, and the cover is polished. While ensuring quality, fidget spinner metal is also stable in terms of use and function. Point a flashlight to fidget spinners. It will absorb the luminous light in 2 to 10 seconds, and the light could be released when rotating in a dark setting. The flashlight also comes with the box. With top science and contemporary design, this product generates an electromagnetic field between its base and bulb to levitate and spin with elegant grace. Wireless induction technology allows the LED bulb to glow with a warm and soothing light. The bulb can rotate 360 degrees and floats freely in the air, which creates a light atmosphere inside your home or any space. With the design of Nordic elegance and minimalism, this modern and creative light bulb will bring a chic, modern touch to your home or office. You can touch the power supply to achieve the light effect of warm yellow. The softer light makes the vision more relaxed and the atmosphere more serene. With the smart digital display technology, the watch is very different from others. And this built-in bright LED for dark or low-light environments. From precise quartz movement and keeping good time, high-quality electronic components, you can see this is a well-made wristwatch. And this is made from stainless steel. With a creative binary time mode display and double-open stainless steel buckles, the watch looks very attractive. You can buy this in 4 colors. A watch band link removing tool is also included in the box. Okay then, that's for today. Make sure to subscribe and put a like. We'll see you soon in another interesting video.